After maserve lahat ng 6 course, meron silang pa-surprise na cake kung merong celebrant sa mga kumakain. At kahit yung birthday cake, si Le Petit Chef pa din ang nag-prepare.
Surprise! Happy celebrations! Okay, now blow out the candles.
On behalf of Le Petit Chef and Renata,
A bit closer.
Thank you.
Adieu et au revoir.